So now that we've imported our content, let's set up an email with this content that includes dynamic content and AMP script. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll do is you'll come over here to the top right portion of the screen and click Create. And then click on Email Message. And then we can see that we can create an email from a template, from text only, or from an existing email. We'll go ahead and keep template selected. And we see that we have 4 tabs here. So we're starting off on this empty tab here, where we can choose one of these 6 empty templates. Or we can click Basic and we can choose any of these basic email templates here. And then we can click Themed and we can choose any of these themed templates here. And we can choose Saved. And if you have any templates that you've saved before, you can choose from those saved templates here. I'll go back to empty over here because we're going to make this email from scratch. So let's click Blank Page here and click Select down here. And when we click Select, we're brought to a Properties tab where we can choose to change the template if we would like, but we're not going to. So we'll click Cancel. And we can name the email, give the email a description, choose to share this email with other business units. We can also choose the folder location for this email, and we can add this email to a campaign. But we'll go ahead and name it and give it a description, and then come over here and click Next.